Hello students, in previous lecture we have covered up to the method of substitution and integration by using trigonometric identities. Now today we will learn some special integration. So in this type of integration we have to learn the set of formulas, and with the help of this formula we can solve numerical problems related to it. Now let us see. The first set has three basic formula, that is integration dx upon a square minus x square is equal to 1 upon 2a log a plus x upon a minus x plus c. Second one, dx upon x square minus a square, that is 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Next one, dx upon x square plus a square, that is 1 upon a tan inverse x by a plus c. Now the type of problem in this set is, the first type is direct. Direct means the question will be given in that format only. So we have to convert it in the form, and simply we have to use this basic formula to get the result. Now the second set is integration px upon px plus q upon ax square plus bx plus c. Dx will be given this type of question. So for that question, that type of question, we'll assume px plus c, px plus q is equal to a d by dx of denominator, that is ax square plus bx plus c plus b. Now compare these two to find out the value of a and b. We'll get the value of a and b, and after that we will simplify it. And now the last type of problem is of type integration dx upon a plus b cos square x, or integration dx upon a plus b sin square x, or integration dx upon a cos square x plus b sin square x plus c cos x sin x. So for that type of question we divide numerator and denominator by cos square x, and let us assume tan x is equal to t. Tan x is equal to t, and then we will simplify it. Now before this we have to first try to understand, or we must aware how to make the question in the form a square minus x square, a square plus x square, and x square minus a square. So this is very important. Now we'll take an example to understand how we'll make it in the form. Now the first example is 2x square minus 4x minus 5. Here the coefficient of x square is 2. So it is better always you take the coefficient of x square. That is, if we have already learned method of completing square in class 10. So in that case it is better you take a common. So here the constant is 2, so we'll take common. If suppose there is one alternative method, if it is a perfect square constant, for example 4, 9, etc. like this, so in that case we can directly convert it into in the form of this formula. But it is always better you take constant common. So now if you take constant common, it becomes 2 times x square minus 2x minus 5 by 2. Now to make it in the form, we will add and subtract square of half of coefficient of x. So here half of coefficient of x is 2 by 2, that is 1. So that is minus 1. So now add and subtract half coefficient of x whole square. So the next step you will get 2 times x square minus 2x minus 5 by 2, half of coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is minus 2x, so half is minus 1, square is 1. So we will add 1 and subtract 1. So now next step you will get a square plus b square minus 2ab. So it becomes x minus 1 whole square. And the next constant minus 5 by 2 minus 1. So it becomes minus 7 by 2. So what we can write, minus under root 7 by 2 whole square. And now this is of the form x square minus a square form. And after that, we will simplify it. Now, let us see if higher order is negative. Higher order is negative is given. The same question, take another example. So that is 5 plus 4x minus 2x square. So now, take minus 2 common. So that is x square minus 4x minus 2x minus 5 by 2. Again we'll get x square minus 2x minus 5 by 2. X square minus 2x minus 5 by 2. So we'll proceed the same step and we'll get here, that is minus 2 times same as above. This is same as above. So we'll get here x minus 1 whole square minus under root 7 by 2 whole square. So minus 2 you take outside and minus sign. Now change the sign, so it becomes 2 times under root 7 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 whole square. So now we will learn some examples related to it. Now let us see this type of questions one by one. We will learn. Now let us see the first type of question, that is based on direct form. So the question is integration dx upon 9x square plus 6x plus 5. So now we have to convert it in the form. So 9x square plus 6x plus 5. Write it as here. So take 9 common. Take 9, the coefficient of x square, that is 9, take common. So it becomes x square plus 6 by 9. 6 by 9 is 2 by 3x plus 5 by 9. We will get this one. Now we will add and subtract square of half of coefficient of x. So that is equal to 9 times x square plus 2 by 3x plus 5 by 9. Now half of coefficient of x, that is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 square, that is 1 by 9. So we add 1 by 9 and subtract 1 by 9. So it becomes 9 times a square plus b square, 1 by 3 square plus 2ab. So it becomes a plus b whole square. So x plus 1 by 3 whole square. 5 by 9 minus 1 by 9, that is 4 by 9. 4 by 9 is 2 by 3 whole square. So minus 2 by 3 whole square. So now this is of the form x square minus a square. Direct form x square minus a square. So integral becomes 1 upon 9 integration dx upon x plus 1 by 3 whole square minus 2 by 3 whole square. So what we'll get? This is of the this is the formula. Sorry, plus 2 by 3, 1 by 9 minus 1 by 9 plus 5 by 9, 4 by 9, that is 2 by 3. So it is plus 2 by 3 whole square. So now this is of the form x square plus a square. X square plus a square. The formula is integration dx upon x square plus a square is 1 upon a tan inverse x by a. So it becomes 1 by 9 into 1 upon a. So 1 upon 2 by 3 means 3 by 2. So it becomes 3 by 2, 1 upon a tan inverse x by a. So this becomes 3x plus 1 by 3. This is 2 by 3. So 3 cancel out. So that is 3x plus 1 upon 2 plus c. So now 3 is 9, that is 1 upon 6 tan inverse 3x plus 1 divided by 2 plus c. Now we will use here one alternative method to convert it into in the form, and then we'll apply directly formula because the coefficient is here 9, which is a perfect square, that is 3 square. So we can use one alternative method, that is integration dx upon 9x square plus 6x plus 5. So here this is 9x square plus 6x plus 5, and it becomes 3x whole square a square, and this is plus 2ab, that is 3x, and b is 1, so it becomes 6x. So that means a square plus 2ab, b is 1, so that means 1 square will separate, and the rest is 4. So what it becomes? 3x plus 1 whole square plus 2 square. 3x plus 1 whole square plus 2 square. So what we can write? Integration dx upon 3x plus 1 whole square plus 2 square. Now this is once again of the form dx upon x square plus a square, but we have to yet take care of, because the coefficient of x is equal to 3. So either it is better you substitute here 3x plus 1 is equal to t, then you will get 3 dx is equal to dt. So dx becomes dt by 3. So you have to take care of this, in this. But here no need to take care of anything. Simply you find out and convert it into, because here the coefficient is always 1. So now this is x square plus a square, that is 1 upon a to 1 upon a tan inverse x 3x plus 1 by a, that is 2, and plus differential coefficient of this, that is 1 by 3. So it becomes 1 by 6 tan inverse 3x plus 1 by 2 plus c. Here in both the case you will get the same result, but here you have to be more alert in this question, and here directly you can simplify it. Now let us see second type of question. The question is integration 2x plus 1 upon 4 minus 3x minus x square dx. This is second type of question. Here we will take px plus q upon ax square plus bx plus c form. So now let us see. First, let 2x plus 1 is equal to a d by dx of denominator, that is ax square plus bx plus c. So differentiation of this is minus 3 minus 2x plus b. Now we compare to find out value of a and b. Minus 2a, that coefficient of x, that is minus 2a, implies that minus 2a is equal to 2a is equal to minus 1, and minus 3a plus b becomes minus 3a plus b, constant, that is equal to 1. So b is equal to 1 plus 3a, and that is equal to 1 minus a is equal to minus 1. So 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. So the value of a is equal to here minus 1 and b is equal to minus 2. So what integral becomes? I is equal to 2x plus 1. In place of 2x plus 1, what you write? Minus 1. So that is minus 3 minus 2x whole upon 4 minus 3x minus x square plus b. b is minus 2 dx, that is minus 2 integration dx upon 4 minus 3x minus x square. So now here we have two integrals, 1 and 2. Either we solve separately or here directly we can solve. We have to convert it into in the form, and here if we substitute you will get differential coefficients, that is this much. So now let 4 minus 3x minus x square is equal to t minus 3 minus 2x minus 3 minus 2x dx is equal to dt. So this becomes I becomes minus integration minus 3 minus 2 x dx becomes dt upon t. So this is minus dt upon t, and here it is. Now make it perfect square. Take minus sign common. It becomes x square plus 3x minus sign common, x square plus 3x minus 4. So that is equal to minus in bracket half of coefficient of x, that is 3 by 2 square 9 by 4. So we will add and subtract x square plus 3x minus 4. Here negative sign is common, so this is x square, this is plus 3x, this is minus 4. So we will add and subtract 3 by 2 whole square, that is 9 by 4. So we add 9 by 4 and subtract 9 by 4. So what it becomes? Minus a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it becomes x plus 3 by 2 whole square a square plus b square plus 2ab. So the left term minus 4 minus 9 by 4. So 4 into 4 16, and minus 16 minus 9 minus 25 by 4. So minus 5 by 2 whole square. So when minus sign goes inside the bracket, so this becomes plus and this becomes minus. So this integral becomes minus dt upon t minus 2 times, so minus 2 times integration dx upon, this is plus 5 by 2 whole square, and this is minus x plus 3 by 2 whole square. So now the next step is minus integration dt upon t, that is log t. So it is minus log t. T is what? 4 minus 3x minus x square with negative sign. And now this minus, and take minus sign common here. So this becomes plus, this becomes minus. So plus 2 times integration dx upon x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 5 by 2 whole square. So this is integration dx upon x square minus a square form. Integration dx upon x square minus a square, it becomes 1 upon 2a. So that is minus log 4 minus 3x minus x square plus 2 times x square minus a square. 1 upon 2a, 1 upon 2a, a is 5 by 2, so it becomes 2 by 5, 2 by 5, 2 cancel out, log x minus a upon x plus a, log x minus a, 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1, x minus 1, x minus a, log x minus a upon x plus a, 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2, that is 8 by 2, 8 by 2, that is 4, x plus 4 plus c. So the final result, the last step, minus log 4 minus 3x minus x square plus 2 by 5 log x minus 1 upon x plus 4 plus c. So we will get the result minus log 4 minus 3x square minus x square plus 2 by 5 log x minus 1 upon x plus 4 plus c. Now let us see another question. Integration example 3, integration dx upon a square cos square x, a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. This type question. So for this we divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. Divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. We get I integration becomes integration divided by cos square x. So it becomes sec square x. So that is sec square x dx a square cos square x cancel out plus b square tan square x. So now here it is better you take let b tan x is equal to t. So that is b sec square x dx is equal to dt. So this integration becomes sec square x dx, that is dt by b. So it becomes dt by b 1 upon b, and denominator is a square plus t square. A square plus b tan x is equal to b, it becomes a square plus t square. So this is of the form x square plus a square, that is 1 upon b 1 upon a tan inverse x by a, t by a plus c. So this becomes 1 upon ab tan inverse t. T is b tan x upon a plus c. So this is required solution. So if this type of question is given, we will divide by cos square x to get the result. Now let us see second set. These are the three basic formula that we have to learn. Integration dx upon under root a square minus x square, which is sin inverse x by a plus c, and integration dx upon x square minus a square, that is equal to log x plus x square minus a square plus c. And next one is integration dx upon x square plus a square, which is log x plus under root x square plus a square plus c. These three sets of formula we have in the second set, and these are the forms. One is direct form, that is directly we will get the form dx upon this under root ax square plus bx plus c. We have to convert it into any one of the form and solve it. Second one is the same that we have done earlier, that is bx plus q upon under root ax square plus bx plus c. Here the only change is in denominator, it is square root of it. So px plus q is equal to a d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c and plus b. Now we find a and b and then solve to convert it into above formula, and then we'll apply the formula and we'll get the result. Now there are basically two type of questions, the first and second type of questions. So now we will learn one by one of these two type of questions. So now let us see first question, that is integration a under root 8 minus 4x minus 2x square. This is CBSE 2003 question. Now let us see. This is of the direct form. So first we have to convert it into the form. So take it outside. Coefficient of x square is minus 2. So it is better you take minus 2 outside. So minus 2 common. Minus 2 common. So what we'll get? X square plus 2x minus 4. Whenever we take minus sign common, so minus 2, so it becomes x square minus common 2x, and it is minus 2. If you take common, it becomes minus 4. So now the method is add and subtract half of coefficient of x whole square. So the coefficient of x is 2, half is 1. So we will add 1 and subtract 1 because 1 square is 1. So what we will get? Minus 2 inside bracket x square plus 2x minus 4 plus 1 minus 1. So this is minus 2 a square plus b square plus 2ab becomes x plus 1 whole square, x square plus 1 plus 2x, x plus 1 whole square. Now minus 4 and minus 1, it becomes minus 5. So minus 5 means root 5 whole square. Minus 5 means root 5 whole square. So since it is minus 2 and this is square root, so we cannot take minus 2 outside, only we can take root 2 outside. So minus sign we have to inside, so it becomes 2 times, that is root 5 whole square minus x plus 1 whole square. So now this integral becomes I, that is dx upon under root 5 whole square minus x plus 1 whole square, and under root 2 it is outside, that is 1 upon root 2. So now the form is 1 upon root 2 dx upon a square minus x square. Under root a square minus x square becomes sine inverse x by a plus c. So you use the formula 1 upon root 2 sine inverse x by a, x plus 1 by root 5 plus c, which is required result. Now let us see the second type of question of the second set, that is 5x plus 3 upon under root x square plus 4x plus 10. So now this is of the form px plus q upon under root ax square plus bx plus c. So here first we let 5x plus 3 is equal to a d by dx of x square plus 4x plus 10, that is 2x plus 4 plus b. Now we find out the value of a and b. So on comparing coefficient of x, that is 2a is equal to 5, a is equal to 5 by 2, and 4a constant, 4a plus b, and 4a plus b is equal to 3. So b is equal to 3 minus 4, a is equal to 5 by 2. 2 cancel out, so 5 into 2 10, 3 minus 10 minus 7. A is equal to 5 by 2 and b is equal to minus 7. So now this integral becomes I is equal to integration a 5 by 2 integration 2x plus 4 upon under root x square plus 4x plus 10 plus b. B is minus 7, this is dx, minus 7 integration dx upon under root x square plus 4x plus 10. Here we will assume this as t square. The differential coefficient is already here, so we will get it. Now to make it perfect square, so first we have to convert it into the form x square plus 4x, coefficient is already 1. So x square plus 4x plus 10, coefficient of x is 2. Coefficient of x is 2. So its half is 2. Square is 4. So we will add 4 and subtract 4. So simply add 4 and subtract 4. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So that is x plus 2 whole square. Now 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4, that is 6. 6 is under root 6 whole square. So this is converted into in this form. Now here let x square, or this x square plus 4x plus 10 is equal to t square, 2x plus 4, 2x plus 4 dx is equal to 2t dt, 2t dt. This integral becomes I is equal to 5 by 2, I is equal to 5 by 2, 2x plus 4 dx, 2x plus 4 dx, that is 2t dt, integration 2t dt upon this under root, so that is t square, square root t, so that is t cancel out, 2 cancel out, minus 7 times integration, 7 times integration dx upon under root x plus 2 whole square plus root 6 whole square, x plus 2 whole square plus root 6 whole square. This is of the form x square plus a square. So t cancel out, 2 cancel out, so 5 integration dt. Integration dt means t, and t is equal to under root this much. So this is 5 times under root x square plus 4x plus 10, x square plus 4x plus 10, and minus 7 times log under root x square plus a square log x, x means x plus 2 plus under root x square plus a square, x square plus a square, and this is nothing but this much, that is x square plus 4x plus 10, x square, x plus 2 whole square plus root 6 whole square is nothing but this much, and this is nothing but this much. So x square plus 4x plus 10, x square plus 4x plus 10, and plus constant of integration. So this is required result, and thank you. You will get important points of this lecture in the PDF link, and in next video we will learn the next set and some other special functions. Thank you.